Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to convert a MOV file to a MP4 file. And this is very simple to do. First of all, make sure that you download the VLC media player, and this one you can download that on Google Chrome. Just search for VLC media player and download this one. And once you did that, you can click on this and then you will see this screen. Right now, if we make this one bigger, you have media left in the top, and then we go to convert/save. Then we click here on add, and right now we go to desktop, and if I click on this and do right mouse click and then properties, you can see that this is a MOV file. Now we want to upload this one, so double click on it and then go to convert/save. Now we want to transfer or convert this to an MP4 file. So what we're going to do now is make sure that you select here the video for YouTube HD. Select the destination. So we want it here on our background. Now we call it MP4, and then right now we do save, and then we start to do this. Now he's loading right here, 30 seconds, he is done. And right now here it is. And if I place it just right there, do right mouse click and do properties, you can see that we now have a MP4 file. So this is exactly how this works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.